Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, April the 21st of 2026, and the top crypto news is as follows. We will start today's episode with how much inflows crypto had the previous week, and we'll begin with the spot Bitcoin ETFs that had total inflows of approximately $1 billion the previous week. Beyond the ETFs and ETPs, we saw large inflows that reached $1.4 billion. $1.1 billion was money that went into Bitcoin, while Ethereum received $328 million. Continuing on, we'll go to the companies that are buying crypto, and we'll look at MicroStrategy, which bought 34,164 Bitcoin for $2.5 billion, while Bitmine bought 101,627 Ethereum. And they're not stopping, as you can understand. Moving now to the DeFi space, which is suffering. We'll start with LayerZero, which says that in all likelihood, the well-known North Korean group Lazarus Group is behind the Kelp DAO hack. This hack has affected the entire DeFi market, as according to reports, the TVL in the 20 largest chains has fallen after the Kelp DAO hack. As you can see from the table here, the TVL even on Ethereum fell by up to 17%, while the biggest TVL losses are on Mantle, with its TVL having fallen by up to 52%. All this is from this hack that we had told you about in the previous days on Crypto News. Regarding individual protocols, Aave's TVL has fallen by $80 billion, mainly in stablecoins, after the Kelp DAO hack and the problems it has from this hack. As you know, from the DeFi space, it's time to go to quantum computers, and we'll see how XRP is preparing for this day. I should tell you that Ripple announced a roadmap to make the XRP ledger resistant to quantum computers by 2028. Of course, I'll have it below in the description in the sources. The company will begin active testing of quantum resistant cryptography and a hybrid deployment that will operate in parallel with existing systems in the first half of 2026, according to the roadmap. Ripple, as you know, is collaborating with Project 11 to develop these systems, and these are the juiciest things we know. For our last news of the day, we'll go to AI, and specifically we'll look at the National Security Agency of America, which is using Anthropic's model Mythos within its classified networks to fortify them. I should tell you that this is not from some official source. It comes from two sources familiar with the matter, according to Axios. Nevertheless, more and more are looking to see how to utilize this model as it appears, and we've come to our beloved crypto market, with Bitcoin standing at $75,000. The price is at our resistance and is waiting for developments from Asia. We should mention that from the sharp moves Bitcoin made in previous days, we had liquidations that reached $420 million. Regarding Asia, I should tell you that Iran told regional mediators that it will send a negotiation team on Tuesday for the second round of negotiations, while Trump extends the ceasefire by one day, now saying Wednesday evening instead of Tuesday. So the entire market is waiting to see what will come out of this round of negotiations. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, April the 21st of 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.